G'day there, I'm Vern from Colorex, and we're very glad to be back in the shop now, operating under level 2, which means people can come back into the shop, and that's a nice thought. We've got a lot of products here that we've restocked on. So we've got the P2 valved masks back in, and we've got very good stocks of these, and they're very reasonably priced. We've got good stocks of nitrile and high risk disposable gloves, as we do have the wipes, ultra grind, antibacterial properties in those. Very good stocks of all those. Still have some hand sanitizers in a 500ml and a very handy little 100ml pocket size sanitizers. These have been very popular for vehicles. We've got a ready to use medic shield. Now this is a medical grade disinfectant sanitizer. This is a new one for us. The Ramsol sanitizer spray kills 99% of germs and bacteria. You simply spray it on the surfaces, leave it to dry, and those surfaces are sanitized. Let's give this one a go. Let's show this stuff in action. This is the sanitizer spray. Simply spray it on your door handles, door knobs, anywhere where contact with persons has been, and it'll completely sanitize that surface. It's also good for vehicles and forklifts and things when you want to keep it sanitised. Spray it, walk away. Okay there, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for June, where we're going to demonstrate a brand new airless sprayer that's come on the market. We've pre-sold a few of these. They're the Graco 650. It's one of the lightest commercial units that can run 2 guns, and they're going to be very popular. Stay tuned and we'll demo this in early June. Thank you.